This country wasn't built overnight. It was built by hand. By people who believed things should last. Strength over shortcuts. Craft over convenience. Pride over excuses. That same belief still lives here. In every weld, every cut, and every truck cover built right here. Because freedom isn't just where you live, it's how you live. The freedom to go farther, to carry more, to trust what's behind you so you can focus on what's ahead. Built from American grit, for the ones who still believe in building things the right way.